just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you, what should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on the wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. Give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you.
Let's do some washing. All my uniforms. I'm off tomorrow, so I'll just do my washing now. And my dog Diva, she's not really feeling great since this morning before I went to my work, so I'm gonna boil some chicken for her and rice.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you, what should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name, now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing.
Tapos na. Just madali ang linis. Good morning. Time check is 20:08 na ng umaga. At walking po si Diva ng maaga at mabilisan. Kasi mayroon akong training sa trabaho ngayon. Usually, pag Monday off ko eh. So, let's go. Ang lamig! What's wrong? Sometimes I wonder if it's meant to be. At this point I feel I got a history with how I fall too hard with boys initially. I'm trying not to take it too personally. Maybe the romantics just ain't it for me. Like how did I become a lesson? I'm not the type of girl you question. Can't even tell you why I'm stressing. I know I probably should've met. Let's go. So, as usual, nasa golf course na naman kami ng aking alaga. So, ayun na nga, o, diba? Dati, ang pangalan ng channel namin is Jen and Diva. Ngayon, naging It's Jen Life kasi pag umaalis ako, unfair naman, wala si Diva. Diba? So, ayun. Nag-holiday ako. Hindi ko siya kasama. Pero I'm so excited kasi next month we're going for a holiday. So hopefully oh, what a very good morning. It's just I ain't got a single damn left in me, 'cause I'm tired of being sort of fantasy. And I certainly don't believe in destiny, but sometimes I wonder if it's meant to be. At this point I feel I got a history with how I fall too hard
Good girl. That's her treats. Okay.
I'm running late sa I'm running late sa training ko. It's already 10 past 10 na. So, let's go. Hopefully hindi ako malate. Again.
I was told.
Amy!
Hello, everyone. We're off to get some eggs.
Because? What have you done?
I might have slept in today, but that's just me every day. So nothing new there.
The fire training, it's finished at work, so off to find my egg. Don't do that. Get my eggs and then go home. I'm going to meet Gina for a cup of coffee, and then I'm going to get some sleep because I am a night shift tonight. Ay, paano to? Oh, Amy!
Wait a minute. There you go, madam.
Sira na yung car mo? Is it? What's happened to your car?
I don't know, it's been like that for a while.
Which one I wanted?
$30 large. Price is going up.
Card, contact lens. Press the triangle. What's the triangle? This one.
Mm-hmm.
And select the number. What number I'm going? Maybe 80 na lang. Oh. Waiting for the machine.
Now tap your thing.
Select the product eh.
Select it again.
Huh? My eggs! Where am I gonna put this?
In the boot.
What?
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, a big cat.
I'm the cameraman. You'll have to do it yourself.
Where's it?
Right.
Time check is 1:15 na ng hapon at ako'y kakaalis lang dito sa trabaho. Kasi nga, pumunta pa kami ni Amy sa port at bumili ng aking eggs. I'm on my way to, I'm thinking to drop off the house and then straight to Highland Farm Cafe for my coffee with Gina. It's supposed to be cancelled, but Gina just phoned me again to have the coffee na. So I'm not gonna phone her in a wee while, telling her or saying that I'm just on my way. I'm gonna think about if I'm gonna drop by to the house or I'm just gonna go straight. Either way, I need to think that one before. Make it sure, because if not, or maybe I just need to go home and have a rest. Kasi nga may pasok ako ngayong gabi. Inasa ko ng management to do a night shift for the next 2 nights dahil short kami. Time check is 22:07 na ng gabi at hindi ako nakatulog. So, good luck sa akin mamaya sa work. I'm just making my water with lemon and tawag dito, pipino. As usual, yan naman talaga ang dinadala ko during the day na pumapasok ako sa trabaho. So ngayon, magdadala ako just to have refreshing while I'm doing my night shift. Now and then, nagda-night shift ako. So here's my water. Namlansya na rin pala ako ng uniform ko. And I'll bring this one as my coffee. May timplahan. At meron pa ako dito sachet. Ito, latte macchiato na Ito, latte macchiato na low fat. Na kailangan ko na. Tapos meron pa akong 2 vanilla na Nescafe. So, dadalhin ko siya sa work tonight. Para meron tayong mainom at gising tayo the whole time. I did cook a little bit na burnt siya. So, ayan. So, ayan yung dinner ko. Okay? Lang ako dun sa sala while watching TV para pangpalipas na rin ng oras. Okay. See ya! Yan, after kong kumain, mag-spend muna ako ng time dito. Okay, Miss Diva. Hello, my love. So, ayun na nga. Time check is 7:30 na ng gabi. Ang pasok ko naman ay 9 o'clock. So, it's okay. I feel so dizzy actually. Parang gusto ko matulog. Pero hindi pwede kasi nga may pasok. Umuo ka sa trabaho dyan. At ang aking ironing ay sobrang dami pa. Okay?